Today on sci-ology, we are going to go over the structure and function of the Abductor Digiti Minimi muscle of the hand. Firstly, where is this muscle located? The Abductor Digiti Minimi muscle of the hand is found when in anatomical position on the medial side of each hand. To get a closer look at this muscle, we need to take a closer look at the hypothenar muscles on the palmar view of the right hand. Here, highlighted in red, we can see this muscle located on the medial side of the hand. The other muscles located here are the flexor digiti minimi brevis muscle and the opponens digiti minimi muscle. These three muscles are collectively known as the hypothenar muscles. Where does this muscle originate from? This muscle originates from the pisiform bone. If we take a closer look at the palmar surface of the right hand, we can see highlighted in red where this muscle originates from on this bone. This muscle also originates from the pisohamate ligament and the tendon of the flexor carpi ulnaris muscle. What is the course of this muscle? This muscle runs along the medial edge of the palmar surface of the hand towards the little finger before forming a tendon. Where does this muscle insert onto? The tendon of this muscle splits into two slips. One of these inserts onto the fifth proximal phalanx, specifically onto the ulnar side of this bone. If we take a closer look at the bones on the palmar surface of the hand, we can see highlighted in red where this muscle inserts onto. The second slip inserts onto the expansion of the extensor digiti minimi muscle on the dorsal surface of this bone. What arteries supply this muscle? This muscle is supplied by branches off of a couple arteries. This includes the deep palmar branch of the ulnar artery, which can be seen here highlighted in yellow. It also includes branches off of the superficial palmar arch, which can be seen here highlighted in blue. What actions are this muscle involved in? This muscle primarily functions in the abduction of digit 5, in other words, the movement of the little finger away from the midline of the hand. And that concludes this video on the Abductor Digiti Minimi muscle of the hand. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.